Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Today is the final day of the garden. Well, I should say the final week of the garden. So if you like watching these videos, just keep on watching. Alright guys, it's time to say goodbye to the 2022 garden. So yesterday we had a sprinkle of snow, sort of like a dusting. You'll see it in some of the areas, nothing crazy, but it did finally kill all of my plants. And then I'm gonna put a video clip here of us harvesting all of the tomatoes, green, yellow, you name it, we harvest it. So here it is right here. So everything froze yesterday, and JJ and I are gonna go pick as much tomatoes, whether they're green, purple, yellow, and we're gonna collect them all. Right, JJ?
Pokemon.
All right.
I'm gonna catch them all.
So all the tomatoes, they're grabbing them, put them here. So all the plants froze. Yes, so we're picking all the tomatoes. Right, go, tomatoes. You see, like this, that way. Don't get close to the tree. You just gotta pull all the tomatoes. Pull them back. Listen, just, I think I need scissors for those. I'll pick the little one first. Over here, I guess. Don't throw them. Alright guys, these are all the tomatoes from the front bed. They're all green, as you saw half of the video because my battery died. Most of the big ones, I think about 4 of them, had some kind of weird fungus growing in them. So we left them in the bed. I'm gonna squeeze the crap out of them and probably put it in the dirt to see if they regrow next year without me having to do anything. But that's it. Now I'm gonna put them here. Hopefully they'll turn red. As you can see, half of them are like watery because they're like, they look frozen. Our temperatures dropped to what? 20s?
30s.
30s.
Low 30s.
Low 30s. So there you go. We're gonna do the other back piece in a few. Alright guys, I'm in the back now. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Lexton and JJ are picking on the other side. Everything died. Everything died. So I'm gonna go pick on the peppers. I can leave the carrots, that's a cold crop. And then I need to bring my berry tree inside.
You have one.
I mean, the peppers don't look too bad, but
You have one.
look at the cucumber.
No, you have one more down there. Down there.
There's one right here.
One right here.
Yeah, because the plant is dead. The plant is not gonna. No, those are too. That's too little though. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be any good. No, I'm taking the plants out on Saturday. But I would pick, I guess, every pepper that's a decent size. Like these, you see, even though they're small.
These are very, very small.
I mean, the plants don't look, for the peppers, the plants don't look as bad as the tomatoes.
No, I tried the cucumber, and those things are really spiked.
Yeah?
He's really spiked. I tried someone.
Look, you left another tomato. Here, JJ. I mean, besides, the tomatoes are the ones that did bad. Look, go pick those over there by Nina. The peppers don't look too bad.
No, they may die.
I know.
Like, man.
Listen, I didn't think it was gonna...
You saw the tomatoes in the front?
Yes.
Oh my god, they just died.
I want to say, what I'm gonna do is, I left them on there because I'm gonna make a hole.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna see if it grows next year.
Oh, this one. I don't put every single one of these
Yes. Here.
100 of them right here.
I know this one has a lot. Just don't cut the plant. I'm gonna leave the plant here. and see if it winterizes actually. So just cut like a little bit above the stem and then that's it. I only got like 30 minutes. I gotta go to a stupid appointment. I mean, granted, I don't need any more hot peppers.
You know, why would I leave them?
No, you can't. It's gonna winterize, it's gonna get cold. Why waste?
Okay.
He's picking the tomatoes, I thought.
Just at the sun here. Get the radish?
He was looking at his radish.
Oh.
He got a radish over there that's probably, you know, beyond dead.
Yes.
I mean... All right, we harvested all the hot peppers. A whole box of hot peppers. That's what we have. Now we have more tomatoes. So here, more green tomatoes, more green tomatoes. Wow. So we're gonna see if they turn red, right, JJ?
Yeah.
Do you think they're gonna turn red?
Yeah.
JJ thinks they're gonna turn red.
This used to be green.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Me, JJ, Lexton just went around the whole entire front, the side, the back. We did catch it very late, so most of the tomatoes were frozen, and at the moment it's been a week. I think we did it, I want to say Tuesday. So some of the tomatoes that were really frozen are turning black, so I've been tossing them in the garbage. Some of them been turning, so those I've been putting in the freezer with the rest of the tomatoes. Today, we're just gonna take apart the green stalk and I'm gonna plant the garlic. So let's get started. So check out the containers. There is your dusting of snow. So if you never saw snow before, that's what it looked like. Right now it's in the, I think 30s, 28, but feels like 37. So I am gonna try to plant my garlic. Try is the key word here. But first, we are going to take apart the green stalk and take out whatever carrots are available. I ended up purchasing garlic from seeds now. We're gonna plant those. There's only like 6 cloves, and then these are the garlic from last year that I planted. So we're gonna plant these, as many as I can. Obviously I didn't take them apart because, you know, I'm lazy. But let's start. You know what, I'm not gonna start with the green stalk because I think it's heavy and I need Campbell. So I'm gonna start with planting the garlic. So I'm starting with my black containers, and all I'm doing is I'm poking the hole where I want the garlic to go, and I'm just gonna come and put the garlic clove in that hole, obviously. Then cover it up with mulch, which is just leaves that we've been collecting. So first I'm gonna do the black containers before I go touching any of the heavy duty containers, because you don't need a lot of space for your garlic. So let's do that. So I'm gonna move them from the stairs. I don't know if I should. Maybe I can keep them here. Some of them still have, obviously, tomato plants on them, so I just gotta rip them out. Maybe I'll leave them in the stairs. I got 2 over here. And then 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. I swear I'm missing 5. Because I thought it was a pack of 20. Huh. Maybe Campbell was right. Don't tell him. Shh. He said he thought it was a pack of 20. And I said, no, I can't find them anywhere. So that means they're probably inside the house. Inside the... Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. I think it is 20. I'm going to check in Amazon right now. Alright guys, don't laugh at me. There's 2 here. Holding the lemon tree and my overwintered black pepper. So these are all the ones that's supposed to be warm, and we have the electric heater going on every now and then. So I got 2 here, 15 outside. We're missing 3 and I don't know where they are. Okay guys, I think I found them. 2 inside, 3 here. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 over there. You see it? Man, I'm missing 1. I thought I found them. This is hilarious. So it's gotta be somewhere around here. And I just don't see it. But let me stop wasting time. Oh my goodness. I'm procrastinating from doing this garlic stuff. So I'm gonna take them apart now and then get started. Alright guys, so the ones I brought from seeds now, I'm gonna try to put into 1 container. But I wanted to show you first which ones I brought. Oh, I brought a lot. Alright, let's see. I got garlic Natka Rose, and it's like 3 packs. See, that's 1. Wait, what tree is it? There you go. That's 1. I ended up getting the garlic porcelain German. Now, according to seeds now, these garlics are good for my zone. This one is the garlic Spanish Roja. This is garlic silver rose. So there's 3 in a pack. This one is garlic German red. Garlic chestnut red. Garlic Inchlum red. Some of them already started sprouting. And then they gave me a sample free seed starter of a Brussels sprout Long Island. So obviously I'm not planting this. I'll put this inside, and then I'm gonna get some sticks, write these down, and hopefully the label will work. Let's laugh together, because we know that never works for me. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I planted all the garlic in every single black container, mulched it on top. We have about between 7 and 8 cloves per container, and then we have 16 containers, so that's about 100 and what, 28 whatever cloves of garlic that will grow on the black containers. The rest we're leaving the same. They'll end up composting within the bins, and then over here the same thing. I'm letting it be, letting it be, letting it be. And then here I took down the first tier of the green stalk, and we had a bunch of carrots here. That was the top. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna winter sow in the green stalk my, what are they called, seasonings, like sage and dill. Oh, my herbs. I'm gonna winter sow them in the green stalk. So I'm gonna put 2 tiers of the green stalk on this side right next to the wall, so we can know that those 2 tiers already have seed in them and they're herbs. So I'll come back when I'm done. Alright guys, whew, tired. Check out all the carrots I got. Still got garlic left over, so I'm gonna crush it and dehydrate it. We took out the green stalk, and then I am winter sowing in the green stalk. Oh, the sun is in the way. I got oregano, cilantro, dill, thyme, and basil, and I'm leaving the parsley to see if it regenerates or comes back to life, I guess, right? And then these are all the containers. I'm letting them all just winterize. There's nothing over there. We cleaned everything out. And we're leaving everything here to just winterize. I'm just gonna leave it. So that is all. Alright guys, that was it for the 2022 garden. And it's cold, so I'll go inside. Thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will check you guys out next year on the 2023 garden setups. Bye guys.